Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kaha, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 mathematics subject. Okay, so let's start today's class. So we are continuing our first chapter, that is an angle. Okay, in the geometry portion. So we are going to deal now two topics, that is your today complementary angle and supplementary angle. So first topic is our complementary angle. So what do you mean by complementary angles? Okay, so I hope you all knows that. Okay, so complementary angle means, so complementary angle are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. Okay, if two angles its sum is your 90 degree, they are called complementary angle. So for example, 20 degree and 70 degree, 40 degree and 50 degree. Okay, so if we add 20 degree and 70 degree, we will get 90 degree. 40 degree plus 50 degree, that is your 90 degree. So if the sum of two angle is your 90 degree, then they are called complementary angle. Okay, so 40 degree is complement of 50 degree and 50 degree is complement of 40 degree. Okay, so both are complement to each other. Okay, similarly next is your supplementary angles. Okay, so what does this supplementary angles means? Okay, so two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. Okay, so supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. Okay, so you can say in this way also. Okay, or two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. Okay, so for example, 60 degree and 120 degree, 50 degree and 130 degree. Okay, so if we add 50 and 150 and 130 degree, it is your sum is 180 degree. Similarly 60 and 120, if you add, your sum is 180 degree. So they are supplementary angles. Is it clear? So so now let's do some question based on this explanation, complementary and supplementary. Okay, so there are some question in your exercise. Okay, your first question is, suppose if x plus 10 degree and 2x minus 10 degree are the complementary. If x plus 10 and 2x minus 10 are the complementary angles to each other, then find the angles. Okay, the question is, if x plus 10 and 2x minus 10 are the complementary angle to each other, then find the angles. Okay, so as we know, let us take our first angle is first angle. Okay, let us take our first angle is your x plus 10 degree and your second angle is 2x minus 10 degree. Okay, so according to the question, what is the given here? X plus 10 degree and 2x minus 10 degree are complementary angles. So complementary angle means their sum must be 90 degree. Okay, reason you can write, reason you write yourself, sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay, sum of complementary angle is 90 degree, you write yourself. So x plus 10 degree plus 2x minus 10 degree is equal to 90. Why I have written here 90? Because sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay, so you write the reason yourself. Okay, now let's open the bracket. X plus 10 degree, okay, plus 2x minus 10, because due to the plus sign, the sign do not change, as it is we will get here, is equal to 90. So plus 10 minus 10, you can cancel it. Okay, so x plus 2x is your 3x is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so x is equal to how much? 90 degree divided by 3. Therefore the value of x is 30 degree. Okay, so we got the value of x here. So what is the value of our first angle? First angle is your x plus 10. X plus 10. So x is your 30 plus 10. We got 40 degree. Okay, and second angle value is your, that is your 2x minus 10. 2 into 30 minus 10 degree. 2 into 30 is your 60 degree minus 10 degree, that is your 50 degree. Okay, so the first angle is your 40 degree and the second angle is your 50 degree. It is very easy. Okay, x plus 10 and 2x minus 10, both angles are complement or the complementary angles, so their sum is 90 degree. After that I open the bracket and solve. I got the value of x here. Okay, that value put in the, okay, given value x plus 10 2x minus 10, put the value of x here, you will get the measurement of both the angles. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, but don't forget to write down the reason. The sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay, so now let's do the another question. Okay, so in place of now complementary angle, now I will just change, okay, some of the terms here. Then it will become your second question. Question number 2. If x plus 20 degree and 3x minus 40 degree are the, now not complementary, okay, now the supplementary question. Okay, now question becomes, if x plus 20 degree and 3x minus 40 degree are the supplementary angles to each other, then find the angles. Okay, now here also similar manner, what we will do, first angle is your x plus 20 degree, okay, write as it is. Second angle is your 3x minus 40 degree, write as it is. Okay, so now according to the question, we know that sum of supplementary, okay, sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. So x plus 20 degree plus 3x minus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason you write yourself, sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. Okay, so now open it. X plus 20 degree plus 3x minus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so x plus 3x is your 4x plus 20 minus 20 is your minus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, just plus 40 plus 20 minus 40, so it is your, its value will be your minus 20. So transfer this minus 20 to right hand side. So 4x is equal to 180 plus 20, so 4x is equal to 200 degree. X is equal to 200 divided by 4. Therefore the value of x is your 50 degree. Okay, so we got the value of x as 50 degree. So what is the measurement of our first angle? First angle is your x plus 20 degree. So 50 degree plus 20 degree, that is your 70 degree. Okay, measurement of first angle is 70 degree. And second angle is a 3x minus 40 degree. So 3 into 50 minus 40. Okay, this is your 150 degree minus 40 degree, 110 degree. Okay, so 70 degree and 110 degree are the two angles. Okay, so your lesson 1, okay, now it is totally complete. You can do each and every question of your exercise, so please do it, try it. Okay, I hope you all can do that. So thank you for today's class. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.